Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your Jira Cloud version step by step. Whether you're managing a big team, setting up integrations, or just troubleshooting an issue, knowing your Jira Cloud version is crucial for compatibility, support, and getting the latest features. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure you're always running the most up-to-date version without any confusion. Right, let's get started. First, log into your Jira workspace. Once you're in, head over to Your Work page. That's your main dashboard where you can see all your projects and issues in one place. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little settings gear icon. Click that. This opens up your configuration options. From here, select Apps in the menu. This will take you to your app management area. Think of this like the control center for all your Jira integrations and add-ons. Next, click on Manage Apps. Here you'll see two tabs, User Installed and System. User Installed shows the apps your team has added manually, like time trackers or reporting tools. System lists the built-in Jira components that come directly from Atlassian. Now, switch to the System tab. Scroll down until you find Atlassian Home for Jira Cloud. Click on it. And there it is. You'll see your current Jira Cloud version number displayed right there. Go ahead and note down that version. It'll come in handy when you're contacting support, troubleshooting issues, or checking plugin compatibility. And that's it. You've just learned how to find your Jira Cloud version in just a few clicks. It's simple, but super useful for keeping your workspace stable and up to date. If this guide helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if there's another Jira or Atlassian topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.